Have you ever wondered how that familiar canned meat we often see in quick meals is made in the factory? Let's take a look at the production process of Spam, a food that has become an iconic staple in the canned goods industry. Let's see, from simple ingredients to being sealed in a tin can, each step in this process holds fascinating secrets and surprising efficiency. Join me as we explore every stage of Spam's production, and you'll be amazed by the technology and precision behind this beloved food. The sourcing of raw materials, particularly pork and ham, stands as a cornerstone in Spam production. This highlights the paramount importance of quality and humane farming practices, which not only meet industry standards but also contribute to the ethical considerations of food production. In the next crucial phase, the inspection of the meat takes center stage. This vital step ensures that only the best cuts are harnessed for Spam production, meticulously assessing aspects such as freshness, texture, and fat content to uphold the product's excellence. Following inspection, the preparation process unfolds, where cleaning and trimming the meat is carried out by skilled workers or advanced automated machinery. This dual approach enhances efficiency and guarantees unwavering quality control, setting the foundation for the next stages of production.
Transitioning into the grinding process, large industrial grinders emerge as indispensable tools, transforming the meat into fine pieces.
This capability empowers factories to meet high product demand efficiently, thereby bolstering their mass production capabilities and responding to market needs. Moreover, during the mixing stage, a combination of ingredients such as salt, sugar, and sodium nitrate is skillfully incorporated. Not only do these elements enhance flavor, but they also play a crucial role in improving the product's shelf life and preserving its color, ensuring an appealing final product. Automated filling machines then take over, ensuring consistency by portioning the meticulously mixed meat into cans. Following this, airtight sealing preserves freshness and prevents contamination during storage, safeguarding the quality that consumers expect. Next, retort cooking becomes essential in the production process, serving to sterilize the product while simultaneously locking in flavors. This meticulous control over cooking time and temperature results in the unique taste profile that Spam is renowned for. Quality control checks are a non-negotiable aspect of this journey, meticulously performed on the cans to ensure they meet stringent safety and quality standards. Inspections involve checking for any damage and rigorously testing the contents for consistency, maintaining the trust of consumers. Additionally, the packaging process is seamlessly automated, enabling the rapid packing of cans into boxes or trays. This not only ensures protection during transportation but also provides consumers with essential product information, fostering transparency and informed choices. Throughout production, the careful monitoring of contamination remains crucial in upholding high food safety standards in the manufacturing of Spam. This diligent oversight ensures the product's integrity before it reaches consumers, reflecting the commitment to quality and safety. Spam's remarkable shelf-stable nature presents an exceptional advantage, allowing for effortless storage and transportation without the need for refrigeration. This versatility benefits both retailers and consumers, expanding its reach across various global markets. Finally, the harmonious blend of traditional methods and modern technology in Spam's production not only preserves its signature taste but also adapts to the demands of fast-paced production environments. This capability underscores the resilience and innovation driving the food industry forward. The origin of Spam's name is indeed intriguing, and its connection to cultural significance cannot be overstated. Recognizing the story behind the name elevates our appreciation for this iconic food product, encapsulating a rich history that resonates with many. Moreover, advancements in technology during the 1930s significantly impacted Spam's production. The introduction of refrigeration techniques paved the way for the mass production of long-lasting food, allowing Spam to become a household staple across the nation. In addition, the meat processing of Spam adheres to stringent safety measures, ensuring the highest quality standards are met. Each pig is subjected to a stringent quarantine process, reflecting the commitment to excellence ingrained in the production process. Furthermore, the grinding process is a meticulously designed step that guarantees even consistency. By dividing the meat into manageable batches, producers achieve a perfect blend of meat and fat, which is essential for maintaining quality control. Transitioning to the mixing stage, precise ratios of ingredients, including ice and water, are diligently incorporated. This meticulous attention to detail enhances the meat's quality and texture, ultimately enriching Spam's unique flavor and widespread appeal. Moreover, sodium nitrate plays a pivotal role in preventing the growth of harmful bacteria, such as Clostridium botulinum. Its inclusion ensures the safety and longevity of Spam products, reinforcing the significance of food preservation. Additionally, the chemical reaction between sodium nitrate and myoglobin in meat produces nitroglobin, which is crucial for Spam's visually appealing pink color. Without this element, Spam would lose much of its appeal and charm. During the sterilization process, steam heat effectively denatures proteins in Spam, resulting in a product that retains moisture and tenderness. This vital step prevents the meat from becoming tough, ensuring a delightful culinary experience. Quality control remains an integral aspect of Spam production, with inspectors diligently examining cans for any defects. This rigorous scrutiny guarantees that only products meeting high standards are delivered to consumers, reinforcing trust in the brand. The unique packaging of Spam further adds to its market appeal, featuring distinctive green cans adorned with bold labeling and clear expiration dates. This thoughtful attention to detail enhances consumer confidence, making Spam a recognizable and reliable choice. The origin of the name Spam continues to spark curiosity, with various theories suggesting meanings that range from spiced ham to shoulder of pork and ham. Intriguingly, Hormel Foods has never disclosed the true meaning, leaving room for speculation. In South Korean cuisine, Spam holds a special and revered place, emerging as a staple after the Korean War when it was introduced through U.S. military food aid. Its affordability and robust flavor quickly garnered immense popularity among the people. Dishes such as Spam Bibimbap and Spam Kimbap exemplify the versatility of Spam within South Korean cooking. These culinary creations showcase how Spam can seamlessly blend with local flavors and traditions, illustrating its adaptability. The global success of Spam is astonishing, marked by over 8 billion cans sold worldwide. This remarkable statistic underscores its broad appeal and acceptance across diverse cultures, illustrating how food can transcend cultural boundaries. Lastly, the Spam Museum in Austin, Minnesota, serves as a treasure trove of insights into the history and cultural impact of Spam. It stands as a unique destination for enthusiasts eager to delve deeper into the story of this iconic food, celebrating its legacy. We took a deep dive into the fascinating process behind creating Spam, a product that might surprise you with its efficiency and technology. If you found this video interesting, be sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more juicy insights. Thank you for following. Hello and see you again.